Oh yeah. Woo! Whoa! Nice. Oh boy. Oh, it didn't even lift a tire. No. Oh boy, here we go. Flexing it out. Woo! Nice. Oh, it's tucking like nobody's business.
Still got brakes.
Did you feel it bump out in the back, or was it have room?
Oh, I don't know. I just heard like a rubbery like.
It's like the tires all the way up in the fender. That is sweet. Now this is even bigger right here from what I felt. Oh, big hole. Oh my! It's all the way up in the top. Sweet. Not lifting a tire. Woo! Good one. Yeah. I'll come move it. Here it comes. We got room. Oh boy. Turn your lights off, Spencer. There we go. Nice driving. No problem. Woo! Stuffed it. Boy, this has gotten a lot deeper, these ravines did, than the last year we came through.
Yeah, they have. Okay,
good air pressure.
Yeah.
You got it. Oh, the big mama. Yes.
Twisty, twisty.